Yes, good morning everyone. And today we will start training and development. This is our next chapter of our chapter number 6, staffing. So first of all, meaning of training. So training means equipping the employees with the required skills to perform the job. The candidates are sent for training so that they can perform the job in the expected manner. ट्रेनिंग क्या है? ट्रेनिंग इज़ टू इक्विप द एम्प्लॉयज़ में कुछ ऐसे स्किल्स डेवलप करना सो दैट दे विल एबल टू परफॉर्म बेटर, जिससे कि वो परफॉर्म बेटर कर सकें जॉब. डेवलपमेंट. नाउ डेवलपमेंट इज़ ओवरऑल ग्रोथ ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज़. It focuses on personal growth and successfulness of an employee. Development is much wider in concept as compared to the training, as training is only a part of development. Development क्या है? Overall growth of a person, of an employee. And development is a much wider concept. Development क्या है? एक much wider concept है. Development is overall development. Whether it's personality development, aptitude development, or skill development, and training is a part of development. Training is enhancing development, but it is just a part of development, and development is a very much wider concept than the training. Next is example. If an accountant is sent to learn a new software for accounting to prepare the books of accounts more fast and accurate than in called training. Whereas if he sent for orientation program to improve his motivational and conceptual skill, then it is called development. ट्रेनिंग क्या है? ट्रेनिंग बस हम एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में किसी पर्सन को, एक पर्टिकुलर स्किल में हम किसी पर्सन को ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. जैसे कि एक अकाउंटेंट को न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर की जो है उसको ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड की जा रही है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रेनिंग. It will make him more fast and accurate. It will enhance his accuracy. But if we are sent a person for the orientation program to improve his motivation and conceptual skills, so it will help to develop him. Next is, why do we need training and development? First of all, it reduce learning time. ट्रेनिंग क्या है? ट्रेनिंग और डेवलपमेंट से जो टाइम ऑफ लर्निंग है, इट विल रिड्यूस्ड. अ ट्रेन एम्प्लॉय टेक लेस टाइम इन लर्निंग द जॉब एज़ कम्पेयर टू द अनट्रेन्ड एम्प्लॉय. एक ट्रेन पर्सन है जो नई चीज़ सीखने में टाइम जो है उसको कम लगेगा, वेस्टेज कम होगी, प्रोडक्टिविटी हायर होगी विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट इज़ बेटर परफॉर्मेंस. द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द ट्रेन एम्प्लॉयज़ इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर दैन द अनट्रेन्ड एम्प्लॉयज़. In training programs, their qualities and capabilities are improved, and employees get some experience of the working on the job before they actually assign the job. It improves their performance and efficiency level. Better performance, as performance कैसे इंक्रीज़ होगी? जब भी पर्सन्स को जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड की जाती है, इट विल इन्हांस देयर स्किल्स, और जब वो खुद वो स्किल्स को यूज़ करते हैं इन द वर्किंग कंडीशंस, तो उसमें क्या है, इनकी जो स्किल्स हैं इट विल एक्चुअली इन्हेंसिंग एज दे आर यूजिंग इट इन देयर वर्किंग नाउ. सो जिससे कि क्या होगा, परफॉर्मेंस भी बेटर होगी एंड एफिशिएंसी लेवल एंड भी इंक्रीज होगा. एटीट्यूड फॉर्मेशन. एटीट्यूड फॉर्मेशन, द ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट एम्स एट मोल्डिंग द एम्प्लॉयज़ so that they can develop positive attitude for the organization. If a person is providing proper training and development, it will also enhance, or it will also create positive attitude towards the organization, and it will motivate them, and they will also be able to take initiative, and result is better in support and cooperation among the employees. अगर कोई भी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इट विल प्रोवाइड प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग टू इट्स स्टाफ, टू इट्स मैन पावर रिसोर्सेज, So it will enhance their capability, or it will motivate them, and they will also be able to take initiative. वो इनिशिएटिव भी करेंगे जिससे कि कॉपरेशन से उनकी we will able to produce better results for the organization. Next is aids in help in solving operational problems. While performing the various activities in the organization faces various problems such as problem of absenteeism, wastage of resources, dissatisfaction of employees, lack of teamwork. Through the supervisory level, training these operational problems can be avoided or removed in the organization, because supervisors are trained for improvement of supervisor-subordinate relationship and for encouraging and motivating the subordinates. So training and development help in solving various operational problems also. As organizations are facing various problems such as absenteeism, wastage of resources, dissatisfaction of employees, lack of teamwork. तो इससे क्या है, जैसे भी हम लोग अपने जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनको डिफरेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, तो इसमें क्या है, जो सुपीरियर सबॉर्डिनेट रिलेशनशिप है, इफ़ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग देम मोटिवेशनल training to our superiors or to our managers, so they will able to enhance relationship with their subordinates, or they will able to motivate their subordinates to work better, to perform better. So it will improve lot of problem, जैसे कि एब्सेंटिज्म है, टीम वर्क से रिलेटेड है, डिससेटिस्फेक्शन है एम्प्लॉयज़ की, या वेस्टेज है. अगर हमारा मैनेजर जो है वो ट्रेंड है ह्यूमन बिहेवियर के साथ डीलिंग करने में, इफ़ ही इज़ एबल टू मोटिवेट प्रॉपरली, देन दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व बाय द मैनेजर हिमसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट इज मैनेजिंग मैन पावर नीड्स. Some organizations have special technique of production and the ready staff is not available. In that case, the organization hire untrained people and train them with the required skill according to their organization need. By training, they solve long-term problem of the manpower requirement. Manpower requirements needs कैसे हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड टेक्निक्स होती हैं प्रोडक्शन की, एंड जो रेडी स्टाफ है वो नहीं अवेलेबल होता है. तो इसमें क्या है, वो अनट्रेंड स्टाफ को स्किल प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिससे कि जैसा वो काम चाहते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वैसा उनसे करवा सकें, और दे वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नीड्स. सो बाय प्रोवाइडिंग दैम ट्रेनिंग, जो लॉन्ग टर्म एक प्रॉब्लम है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की मैन पावर रिक्वायरमेंट की, दे विल एबल टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. Next is help to adapt change. Training helps the employees to adapt environmental changes. Helps to adapt change. Training sessions or the training programs, it helps to adapt changes. We will able to cope up with the changing surroundings or changing environment. So it will help us to adapt the changes. Now, what are the different benefits to the employees of training and development? First of all is better career option. It will help them to better career options. It will improve their skills and knowledge due to training, bring them better career options for employees. As a trained employee, as a skilled employee, they will able to get better opportunities, and it will enhance their career options also. Earning more. Improvement in efficient performance of employees helps the employees to earn more. Obviously, an efficient person or a trained employee or developed employee will also be able to earning more as compared to the untrained ones. Boost of the morale of employees. So it will help them to increase the satisfaction and morale of the employees. Less chances of accidents, as training helps them to make efficient performance, or there is a less chance of accident because they are able to perform work better. So there is very less chance of wastage as well as accidents. Next is difference between training and development. So first point is concept. Training is concerned with teaching technical skills only, and development concerned with teaching technical, human and conceptual skills. Suitability. Training is more suitable for technical staff, whereas development is more suitable for managerial staff. Nature. Training concentrate on developing the skills already possessed by the employees. ट्रेनिंग क्या है, ये कंसंट्रेट करती है जो स्किल्स, उन स्किल्स को डेवलप करने में दोज हु आर ऑलरेडी पोसेस्ड बाय द एम्प्लॉयज़, वेयर एल डेवलपमेंट कंसंट्रेट्स to develop the hidden qualities of the employees. It helps to develop the hidden qualities of the employees. Method use. In training, on the job training are preferred, whereas development is off the job methods. Training क्या है, when the person is on the job, ये job के साथ साथ ही training provide की जाती है, whereas development is off the job methods. Focus. Training focus on present requirements of the organization, and development focus on present as well as future requirements of the organization. Training क्या है, training हम present requirements को देखकर provide करते हैं, and development focuses on future as well as present. Time. Training is a short term process, whereas development is a long term process. Initiative. The boss superior takes initiative for imparting training to his subordinates. Training क्या है, it is provided by a superior, and development, the individual takes initiative, individual himself take initiative for his growth and development. Duration. Training is of short term period, and its period is fixed, whereas development is a never ending procedure. We can develop ourselves to our whole lives. Its duration is never defined. Level of trainees involved. It is helpful for non-managerial, operative employees or the lower level of managers. ट्रेनिंग जो है वो नॉन मैनेजरियल स्टाफ के लिए या ऑपरेटिव स्टाफ और द लोअर लेवल ऑफ मैनेजर्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल है, whereas development is useful for managerial personnel, that is middle and top level managers. Centered. It is work centered. Training is work centered, and development is person centered. Training जो है ये work centered है, it is provided for doing a particular task, and development is person centered. It will enhance the skills of the person. So this is our training and development concept. Thanks.